in regards to approve the appointment of zoning board appeals attorney. I move to appoint Terry Kerwin as the attorney for the zoning board of appeals at a pay rate of $3,500.
Gary, I thought that you wanted to not have an attorney and use the planning board attorney when you needed one.
I'd like to address the board. I made the recommendation.
Could you use the microphone, please? It's the law, that's all.
I made the recommendation to the board, but in talking with Madam Supervisor, she thought that being a serious situation, and for the fee only being $3,500, that we should retain an attorney.
Gary, I got a letter from you December 29th and stated that you didn't think it was needed. It was very seldom attorney was consulted at the board meetings. How often do you have to consult an attorney at your board meetings? I think indicating the letter is very, very rare.
It's been seldom. Only 2 occasions in my last 14 years on the board.
2 occasions you had to consult an attorney? What I would propose is perhaps the new attorney for the town be available as opposed to appointing a separate person.
Well, that was part of my recommendation. When I first came on the board, Mr. Rivazigo was the zoning board attorney. And then if we got into a situation similar to the Hastings case, then maybe we could hire an attorney outside or a specialty attorney if needed.
It's pretty obvious that if you had an attorney on this board for the last 14 years, that whether or not the attorney's been used, it has been obviously appropriate to appoint an attorney for the last 14 years. Therefore, I believe for the protection of the town and the minimal fee regardless, that I feel that we should be appointing an attorney for the zoning board of appeals.
It's your call. It's town board's call.
Thank you.
I know the motion hasn't been seconded, so I'll probably have some questions on it.
I'll second the motion.
May I have an opportunity to ask a couple of questions relative to this position?
Certainly.
Is there any retainer agreement or is there any letter provided by Mr. Kerwin relative to this position that he's seeking? Or verification that he will engage, that he'll be able to attend these meetings, or what the scope of services are, or things of that nature?
I did receive a letter. It didn't have all that information in it. The letter was sent to the town hall, and I did not have an opportunity to get this letter until yesterday.
Was that provided to any other town board members?
It was not.
Was there any other individuals that were that applied for this position for the zoning board of appeals? Or where did he come from?
He sent a letter asking if there was an opportunity to provide services to the town and the zoning board of appeals, that he would be interested.
Any other firms?
No other firms, no other phone calls, no other requests.
I have no questions.
Thank you.
Mr. Conway?
No.
Mr. Jennings?
Yes.
Ms. Zambrano?
Yes.
Mr. Coral?
No, I have no information on this individual. So,
Ms. Boyke?
Yes.